This how to be on how to create a local backup so that you can set the VT3000 software so you can then do a restore from inside the software. Keep in mind it's local only, so it's not like you're recording it or saving it to another system. So basically, we want to select the core software, and then where we want to be is Control Center under Administration. So you can select that here or through Administration, Control Center. And then basically want to select Databases. And then you want to use this backup icon right here. So if you just click that, it's going to ask you which databases that you want. You can check mark which ones you want to do, which ones you don't want to do. My suggestion, since it's local, is just do all of the databases. And then here's where you're going to give the description, and this is what you're going to see to help you identify what backup this is in case you're making multiple ones. So what date this is, and then give today's date. So just hit backup. Now it's going to tell me that all those databases were backed up. And that'll conclude this video. What you'll want to do next is the restore process, which we explain that in a subsequent video. So we'll talk to you again.